Hello student, welcome to Sentencing online classes. Student, in previous video we discussed about the condition for maximum intensity. In this video we will discuss about the condition for minimum intensity when two waves superposed at a point and obtain the value of minimum intensity also. So let's start. Condition for minimum intensity. That is condition for minimum intensity I mean. We know that resulting intensity IR equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. Student, it is clear that resulting intensity is minimum when cos phi is minimum, and minimum value of cos theta or cos phi is always equal to -1. So for minimum intensity cos phi must be equal to -1. It means cos phi equal to cos pi. The value of cos pi is equal to -1. Since we know that if cos theta equal to cos alpha, then general solution of theta is 2n pi plus minus alpha. So comparing this equation, cos phi equal to cos pi, then phi equal to 2n pi plus minus pi. Here taking pi common, 2n plus minus 1 into pi. So for minimum intensity, phase difference between two waves must be equal to odd multiple of pi. It means for minimum intensity, phase difference, that is phi, is equal to odd multiple of pi. Hence for minimum intensity, phi equal to 2n plus minus 1 into pi. If phi equal to 2n plus 1 into pi, then take n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And if phi equal to 2n minus 1 into pi, then take n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. It means if one can write phi as a 2n plus 1 pi, then they take n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And if one can take phi equal to 2n minus 1 into pi, then they take n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now we will find the expression for path difference in minimum intensity. So we know that phase difference is equal to 2 pi upon lambda into path difference. For minimum intensity, phase difference is equal to 2n plus minus 1 into pi. Put the value of phi in this equation. We have 2n plus minus 1 into pi equal to 2 pi upon lambda into path difference. Pi to pi cancel. So path difference delta x equal to 2n plus minus 1 into lambda by 2. This is the condition for minimum intensity. It means for minimum intensity, phase difference must be equal to 2n plus minus 1 into pi, and path difference must be equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. So for minimum intensity, path difference must be lambda by 2, 3 lambda by 2, 5 lambda by 2, and so on. So please pause the video and note in your notebook. Now we will find the value of minimum intensity and value of minimum amplitude. We know that for minimum intensity, cos phi equal to minus 1. So resulting intensity IR equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. Put the value of cos phi equal to minus 1 for minimum intensity in this equation. We have minimum intensity equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 into minus 1. It means I minimum equal to I1 plus I2 minus 2 root I1 root I2. It also written as root I1 whole square plus root I2 whole square minus 2 root I1 root I2. Student, this is a formula of A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So minimum intensity is equal to root I1 minus root I2 whole square. If I1 equal to I2, if I1 equal to I2 equal to I, then minimum intensity is equal to I root I minus root I whole square. It means minimum intensity is equal to 0. Now for minimum amplitude, we know that resulting amplitude of superposed wave is under root A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 cos phi. And for minimum amplitude, cos phi must be equal to minus 1. Put the value of cos phi in this equation. We have minimum amplitude equal to under root A1 square plus A2 square plus 2A1 A2 into minus 1. By solving, we get minimum amplitude equal to A1 square plus A2 square minus 2A1 A2. Student, this is the formula of A1 minus A2 whole square. So minimum amplitude is equal to square root A1 minus A2 whole square. By solving, we get minimum amplitude equal to A1 minus A2. If A1 equal to A2, it means if amplitude of both waves are equal, then minimum amplitude of resulting wave is 0. Student, here minimum intensity is 0 and minimum amplitude of superposed wave is 0. As we know that intensity is minimum or intensity of light is 0, it means there is a absence of light at that point or at that place. So this is also known as condition for dark. So please pause the video and note in your notebook. Student, note all these formula which were obtained by using superposition theorem for numerical purpose. So firstly, according to superposition theorem, resulting displacement is equal to vector sum of individual displacement. Then relationship between phase difference and path difference, phi equal to 2 pi upon lambda into path difference. Intensity is directly proportional to square of amplitude. After that, general equation of wave is A sin omega t plus phi, where A is the amplitude. Resulting intensity as a result of superposition is I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 root I2 cos phi. For maximum intensity, cos phi equal to 1, implied that phi equal to 2n pi, implies that path difference delta x equal to n lambda, where n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And maximum intensity is equal to under root I1 plus under root I2 whole square. For identical wave, maximum intensity is equal to 4I. Similarly, maximum amplitude is equal to A1 plus A2, and for identical wave, maximum amplitude is equal to 2A. Now, condition for minimum intensity. For minimum intensity, cos phi equal to -1 implies that phi equal to 2n plus -1 pi, implies that path difference delta x equal to 2n plus -1 lambda by 2. Value of minimum intensity is equal to under root I1 minus under root I2 whole square. If both wave are identical, I1 equal to I2, then minimum intensity is equal to 0. It means at that place they form dark. Similarly, minimum amplitude equal to A1 minus A2. If A1 equal to A2, then minimum amplitude equal to 0. Students, these all formulas are very important to solve the numerical. So please pause the video and note in your notebook.